Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we are at Sunrise Bay and we are going to show you a 3-bedroom apartment at Emaar's Beachfront. That's Emaar's flagship project. It's directly located in front of Dubai Marina. You're a few moments away from the world's largest man-made island, the Palm Jumeirah, and you're overlooking Blue Waters Island, which has the largest ferry wheel in the world. This beautiful development by Emaar will have 24 towers and will have 750 meters of private beach access exclusive to the residences on both sides. Now, without further ado, we will take a tour inside this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment and hope you guys enjoy it. That was a quick overview about Sunrise Bay and Emaar's Beachfront. If you'd like to have a view like that every single day, we'll leave our contact details below. Feel free to get in touch with us anytime. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.